Cyclic meditation is a different aspect of meditation, which is a simple combination of regular meditative procedures and basic yoga postures. The main principle in this cyclic meditation is to close your eyes till the end of your practice. If you are not able to maintain to your eyes for that much of time, you can blindfold. Anybody can practice the procedure designed by me that everyone can practice by their own. And the movements shown here should be practiced very slow. Before going into the practice, you need to observe the surroundings carefully and try to remember in your mind. Keep your body straight, legs apart, keep your hands back, look up, take a deep breath, slowly release. Practice every movement for 5 times, relax for 5 seconds after a position cycle. Position 1, take a deep breath, slowly rise your both hands forward up to shoulder level, exhale, deep inhale while slowly rise your hands over the head, exhale. Palms should be faced downwards up to navel position and to be faced forward when over the head. Position 2. Take a deep breath while slowly rising your hands sidewards up to shoulder level and slowly exhale. Slowly inhale and rise hands over the head, slowly exhale. Palms should be faced downwards up to shoulder level and should be faced each other over the head. Heaviness will spread up to your shoulder level. Slowly try to identify your body changes like rise in temperature, heartbeat, sweating process, etc. Position 3. This position includes twisting of body and takes more time than other positions. Take a deep inhale, slowly rise your hands up to shoulder level. While exhaling, slowly turn your body towards right. While inhaling, slowly turn back and release your hands. Repeat up to the shoulder level again and slowly turn your body towards left. Inhalation and exhalations are in the same process. Position 4. This position also includes rising of hands up to shoulder level. Breathing should be as before positions. After rising hands up to shoulder level, slowly rise your right leg. Sole should be parallel to the ground and your thigh must be vertical to the body at your inguinal region. Try to maintain for few seconds and slowly release. Practice in the opposite side with same procedure. Position 5. Keep your legs apart. Take a deep inhale. While inhaling, slowly rise your right hand up to the shoulder level, exhale. Inhale. While inhaling, rise your hand over the head, slowly exhale. While exhaling, slowly bend towards left. While bending, hand should be parallel to the surface and palm should be facing downwards. Slowly come back in the reverse manner and practice in the opposite side. Sitting positions. Now let's continue to sitting positions. Position 1. Now slowly rise your both hands sidewards, palms facing downwards, Rise up to shoulder level, twist your palms upward, rise your both hands over the head slowly, palms facing each other. Try to keep your palms close to each other. Position 2. Rise your both hands forward up to the shoulder level. Palms should be facing each other. Stretch your hands back as much as possible. Slowly bring them close. Try to keep palms very close. Observe the magnetic effect. Practice it 5 to 10 times. For each time you will observe the stimulation between your palms. This stimulation can explain what is your physical, mental position. Some yogic studies saying that the stimulation can also explain your psychic energy and also awakening stage of your subtle, micro level, issues.